So here's another video on the Leaf Gearshift. This time it's in a left-hand drive to make it easier to understand rather than just explaining how to swap everything over. So first thing, foot on the brake, turn the car on predictably. It will start up in park. Give it a moment to fire up and you can see Leaf Spy on the permanently mounted phone there coming live as well. So once we're ready to go, foot on the brake. If you pull the gear knob towards you and then pull it back, that will put you into drive. You see we have D for drive up on the dashboard. If you do the same again, it will engage Eco, which on the newer models is called B, not Eco, because there's a separate Eco button for it. But either way, it's a more gentle driving operation and it gives better regeneration and so on. So for reverse, it's the same starting procedure, so to the left and then forwards, and then that gives you reverse. Quite clearly, everyone will know, but it's worth pointing out, to engage park at any stage, just press the central button and then you're away. And the one that catches a lot of people for pull through car washes and so on, or if you want to coast on the motorway, just pull the gear knob across to the left and hold it for a couple of seconds and you'll get neutral. This means you could push the car, or obviously the car wash can pull it through, or on the motorway you can coast. Now the interesting thing is that from neutral you don't need to press the brake to engage a gear. You can just go straight into gear, but quite predictably it will then start to move. From park you have to put the foot brake on in order to be able to engage any gear at all. Thank you.